I'm vlogging on my G7X after so long, and I can't even tell you how much I've missed vlogging on this camera. But yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel after so long on my G7X. Today I thought I'd just take you guys on a work day with me because a lot of people on Instagram have been wondering what I do for work. But before that, how cute are these bag charms by One Left? Oh my god, how cute are they? That's the nazar, that's the smiley, and that's the red heart. They're all available for sale. I'm going to link them below. And how cute are my new Crocs? I got like bejeweled ones this time because I feel like my older ones were just too kiddish. But how cute are they? I'm gonna have a hard time focusing on this camera because I've just like stopped using it for the longest time. Also, how cute are my new earrings? I got them from H&M, and I never really looked at H&M as like a accessory haven because I used to always feel that it's tacky, but like surprisingly these aren't that tacky. Anyway, I thought I would take you guys with me for a little day in the work-life situation. It's a very sunny and nice Wednesday. It's actually Wednesday today, and yeah, I'm going for a shoot for one of these very cool establishments that I work with, and I'm gonna have my team there. I'm gonna have my content person, I'm gonna have the photographer, and I am back in F&B, which is always a great place for me to work at because that has proven to be one of the places where my skills and my soft skills as well as my hard skills are best showcased. So I'm really glad to have landed an F&B client after so long, and today the agenda is to shoot their new menu. So usually these shoots are super hectic, and by the end of the day I do not look this put together, but because I was vlogging today I decided I'd do a little bit of makeup. And also I'm wearing Benefit mascara called Shelly, which by the way I got in a PR package, my first ever makeup PR package, thanks to Saloni, who is the marketing head at Benefit in India. And yeah, that's just the plan for the day. So I will take you guys along with me today, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Guys, this is RV.
Hi, vlog.
Get in touch with her for anything F&B related. She's a star. And this is Anil. He's our photographer.
Hello.
And we're just discussing the mood board right now. So these are the vibes. And please ignore this weird construction noise.
Yeah. 1 second. But you know, this is absolutely necessary actually, because for the feed, you can only use like Anil type shots.
Yeah.
It's very hard to get those
So
natural
can you give
shots.
my vlog some idea
Hello.
of what it takes to be an F&B in 2025 for everybody that's looking for a job?
It takes gumption, grit, and it takes a lot of sleep.
Yeah,
Because
it
you're
does.
not going to get a lot of sleep.
It does.
So be prepared for panda eyes.
It does. That is very true.
But best part. The best part, you get to eat some insane food, meet some amazing people, and yeah, and you find new friends along the way.
And your creative juices start flowing. I never thought I could be a food stylist, but I'm thinking that's what my career is heading towards.
Photos also of that.
So guys, this is also what happens at a photo shoot. For my vlog reasons. Say it. I'm modeling, and this is Pujal, and he's holding this amazing lobster which I can't wait to eat. So that's the vibe. Thanks.
Dog.
Oops, I'm not allowed to drink it.
I'll just show you one shot. एक सेकंड है एक सेकंड.
You're looking so pretty, Saloni. You're looking so pretty, Saloni.
Guys, we've wrapped up. We've wrapped up the shoot.
So nice when you're done earlier than expected.
Yeah. And Anil has a whole ass suitcase that has all his equipment in it. And look at these pretty flowers on this road that I just saw. They're so pretty. We have just gotten home from the shoot. My tripod is still behind me, but I don't know if the sunset is gonna get captured in this camera or if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna try to show it to you. But that's basically the sunset happening there, and Bombay City looks so beautiful in this light. I love coming home and like just seeing the sunset outside my window and just romanticizing Bombay. Anyway, as I had very nicely predicted, I look so haggard compared to myself in the morning. So yeah, it was a very hectic day, and I got this sudden burst today after like 3 weeks of not having coffee. I was like, okay, today I might want to make coffee for myself, and I thought I had oat milk at home, but I don't. I just have normal regular milk at home, which I'm not going to make the mistake of having ever again in my life. And so I'm really craving a beverage. I already had a matcha in the morning, as you guys know, but I'm a little hungry and I'm really craving a beverage. So what to do? Although I really haven't had like a proper lunch or any meal today, so like it makes sense that my body is craving for something, so I definitely should not be giving it coffee. Okay, I'm gonna stop yapping right now and probably order oat milk. Okay guys, I think I'm officially ending the vlog here by doing a little like dinner taste test with you guys. I just posted a video of this meal that I literally had around 10 days ago. It's called Khao Man Gai by Chef Sifa. It is one of the best authentic Thai things I've had in Bombay, and that is how the fried rice comes packaged. So this is the rice, this is a melon soup, this is like a soy / teriyaki sauce, and this is a chili sauce. My mouth is already watering, but go watch the full review on my Instagram. I am addicted to ordering this because it's like a very like non-guilty meal for me as well. I try not to eat gluten, so my only kind of 2 options when it comes to like eating carbs is rice, which I shouldn't be eating at night, but I just don't have the energy in me right now to cook a whole ass meal after this shoot day that I've just had. And since you guys know I was craving some beverage, I have ordered the infamous Thai iced tea. I also taste tested this on my reel, so definitely go check it out. I'm gonna link the reel in the description. Also, this probably must be the first time that you'll are seeing my natural hair on the vlog. Like, they literally look like broomstick ends right now because I haven't hair sparred in ages. But I think I'm also going to get a haircut this week and just get a massive hair spa done. So I cannot wait. And that reminds me, I should probably be calling my spa and getting an appointment, because it's very hard to get an appointment these days. But yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna eat Khao Man Gai. Cheers. And I'm gonna watch the trailer of White Lotus season 3 episode 2. I watched season 1, I watched episode 1, but like honestly, and no spoilers, I don't know why they've removed the theme music. Like, you almost look forward to that theme music in every shot and every beat. You're like, okay, now it's gonna drop, but it just doesn't drop, and I don't know why. I feel like it united the world and it should have been there. But anyway, it's kind of crazy. I haven't waited for these like episodes to drop since like ages now. I think the last time that happened for me was like Succession or even Suits. Like, I don't remember. I always remember like seasons just dropping with all 8 or 9 episodes at one go. It's gonna be so weird that I literally have to wait till April for these like 10 episodes to get over. But like, yeah, it's like this community feeling that everyone is waiting for the next episode to drop, so that's also fun. And yeah, I've been yapping so much in this vlog, it's insane. I'm gonna enjoy my meal and I'm gonna end this vlog here. So thank you for watching, and as always, like, comment and subscribe. My goal this year is really to grow my YouTube, so it'll go a long way. But yeah, see you guys in the next vlog.